Through the civil society budget advocacy group, a citizen's petition is being handed to the Prime Minister, Right Honorable Ruhakana Rugunda, asking President Yoweri Museveni not to assent to the Income Tax Amendment Bill 2016. Civil society organizations are now concerned that if the members of Parliament's facilitation is not taxed, the country could lose at least 40 billion in taxes annually. Some members of Parliament say they want an audience to explain the misconceived exemption from the income tax.
For me, I think if need be, let's have an open debate. An open debate. Probably the main question really which is puzzling everybody is that if Parliament is this and thus facilitated, why isn't it doing its job?
According to the Remiaga County Member of Parliament, Theodore Sechikubo, said the lawmakers are being paid less than their value.
Every country deserves its leaders. If that's how we have rationalized it, so be it known to everybody. So to me, I would think there should be an understanding. Probably the questions may not necessarily be on the amounts paid.
The amendment was an adjustment to exclude some of the facilitation allowances for constituencies, but the members of Parliament agreed that only their basic salary totaling to about 2.5 million should be taxed. Recent arguments indicate that the exemption could be a deal that was made in exchange for the lack of increments to their salaries, a matter raised by President Yoweri Museveni in a Chankwanzi retreat.
Will be included among the list of people who don't pay taxes on their facilitation, okay? And we don't increase our salary. And the president was in agreement, the caucus was in agreement. That is the position we took in Chankwanzi.
Meanwhile, State House has refuted reports that the president had given a tacit approval for the MP's tax exemption deal. Presidential Press Secretary Linda Nabusai said the president cannot be held at ransom after MPs threatened to block the budget if the exemption is not approved, an act which she describes as treasonable. Aaron Stawarka, WBS Television Weekend Prime.